I'm gonna give you guys a chance to guess. Leave a comment in the video where I'm at. We gotta take it easy on the wall with some wings. We got a flatbed Ford over here. There's your first two hints. I don't want to show you the sign yet, but this is also going to be another hint. This should give it away. We're on Fry Drv. So anyway, you guys can give us a guess on where we're at right at the moment. We got the Take It Easy store here. It might be the biggest Strat I've ever seen.